Family run and proudly made in the USA, Construction Tie Products can assist you with your masonry anchoring needs, whether it's a new build or restoration. We pride ourselves on excellent customer service and offering high-quality products. Although our primary focus is masonry veneer anchoring, we do offer a variety of products for new builds and restorations. Our stitch tie helical anchors are available in both 8mm or 10mm diameter and multiple lengths. CTP accommodates on-site testing to ensure proper anchor application. Grip tie mechanical anchors stabilize existing veneers with multiple application assemblies. CTP grip tie can be performance tested at any stage of installation and is a silent install for noise-prohibited projects. Facade tie brackets are installed from the inside when wood or metal studs are exposed and can be attached with either stitch tie or grip tie anchors. This eliminates weather delays and excessive scaffolding. Stone grip ties are specially engineered anchors used for masonry veneers that are less than 3 inches thick. CTP 16 wall ties provide a superior single screw connection for new construction masonry, great for spray foam insulation. In addition to these amazing specialty products, we also offer stone anchors, MAD 2000, and Weepix. With over 30 years of experience in masonry anchoring, we understand that each project is different, so we provide custom solutions as well. Construction Tie Products, custom solutions to unique projects. Save the wall and contact us today.